Artificial intelligence, AI, has rapidly evolved from a niche academic discipline to a transformative force affecting nearly every aspect of modern life. From autonomous vehicles and healthcare diagnostics to customer service chatbots and predictive algorithms, AI technologies are now embedded in the daily operations of countless industries. This increasing reliance on AI has sparked a global debate. Will AI eventually replace humans? More importantly, does AI pose a threat to human survival? This report examines the current and projected capabilities of AI, its potential to replace human roles, and whether it represents an existential threat to humanity. AI refers to machines designed to perform tasks that would typically require human intelligence. These tasks include learning, problem-solving, perception, language understanding, and decision-making. Broadly, AI is categorized into narrow AI, systems specialized in a specific task, for example, facial recognition or language translation. General AI, a theoretical form of AI capable of performing any intellectual task a human can do. Superintelligent AI, a hypothetical AI that surpasses human intelligence across all domains. Currently, all functioning AI is narrow AI, designed for specific applications. While it performs exceptionally well in designated tasks, it lacks consciousness, emotions, and true understanding. One of the most immediate and tangible concerns is AI's impact on employment. History has shown that technological advances often lead to job displacement, but also to the creation of new roles. However, AI's speed and efficiency pose unique challenges. Routine and repetitive jobs are most vulnerable to automation. Manufacturing, robotics, and automation are replacing human labor in factories. Customer service, chatbots, and virtual assistants handle thousands of interactions without fatigue. Transportation, autonomous vehicles threaten to replace drivers in logistics and public transport. Data processing, AI can process and analyze data far faster than humans, risking jobs in finance, insurance, and law. Roles requiring empathy, creativity, and complex human interaction are less susceptible. Healthcare workers. While AI assists in diagnostics, it cannot replace bedside manner and human judgment. Teachers and educators. Personal mentorship and adaptive teaching remain uniquely human strengths. Creative arts. Though AI can generate music and art, human creativity remains distinct and valued. AI also creates new roles. AI trainers and ethicists, robotics engineers, data scientists, AI policy advisors. Historical patterns suggest that while some jobs will vanish, others will evolve or emerge, often demanding new skills and adaptability. Concerns about AI surpassing human intelligence and potentially threatening humanity have been voiced by thought leaders including Elon Musk, Stephen Hawking, and tech ethicist Nick Bostrom. The most extreme concern is the emergence of a superintelligent AI that surpasses human cognitive abilities. If not properly controlled, such an AI could make decisions or take actions that are harmful, either intentionally or as a side effect of misaligned goals. For instance, if an AI tasked with solving climate change decides that reducing the human population is the most efficient solution, the result could be catastrophic. The alignment problem refers to the challenge of ensuring AI's goals match human values. Misalignment, even in narrow AI systems, can have dangerous outcomes. A trading algorithm might cause financial crashes in pursuit of profits. A content-optimizing AI might promote harmful or false information to maximize engagement. Ensuring AI systems interpret human values correctly and safely act on them is an ongoing challenge. Military applications of AI introduce additional risks. Autonomous drones and AI-controlled weaponry could be used for mass surveillance, precision attacks, or, in worst-case scenarios, large-scale warfare without human oversight. The potential for AI arms races between nations is a serious geopolitical concern. AI raises complex ethical questions. Privacy. AI-powered surveillance and data collection often intrude on individual privacy. Bias and discrimination. AI systems trained on biased data can perpetuate or amplify societal inequalities. Autonomy. As AI makes more decisions for us, questions arise about human autonomy and accountability. Legal frameworks. Laws lag behind technology. Who is responsible when an autonomous car crashes or when an AI makes a harmful decision? Regulatory bodies are now working to address these challenges. For example, the EU's AI Act aims to ensure AI is used safely and ethically, while initiatives like OpenAI's alignment research focus on making AI systems more transparent and controllable. Rather than replacing humans, AI can be seen as an augmentative tool. When used responsibly, AI has the potential to enhance healthcare through early disease detection and treatment optimization, improve education with personalized learning systems, accelerate scientific research, aid in solving global problems like climate change and poverty. The key lies in human-AI collaboration. For instance, a doctor using AI diagnostic tools can make better informed decisions, not be replaced. A teacher using AI to personalize content can reach more students effectively. Will AI replace humans? In specific domains, especially those involving routine and predictable tasks, yes, AI will likely outpace human performance. However, in areas requiring complex judgment, emotional intelligence, and ethical decision-making, humans will remain indispensable for the foreseeable future. Is AI a threat to human survival? The answer depends on how it is developed and managed. AI itself is not inherently dangerous. The danger lies in its misuse or uncontrolled advancement. Addressing these concerns requires global cooperation, robust regulation, and a focus on alignment with human values. Ultimately, the future of AI is not predetermined. It will be shaped by the choices we make today. Choices about ethics, safety, policy, and how we balance innovation with responsibility. With careful stewardship, AI can be a powerful ally rather than a rival or a threat. If you found this report informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth content on technology, science, and the future of humanity. Stay curious and stay informed.